Our topic this morning is all about graphing polynomial function. So last time we talked about polynomial equation. So this time we're going to talk about polynomial function and how does it works. So I will share you a link, a screen. So we will start with graphing polynomial function. But before that, kailangan alam din natin yung topic natin, balikan natin yung topic natin about dun sa zeros. Kasi finding the zeros of the polynomial function or polynomial equation. Related yan siya with this one. Okay? Now, with the graphing polynomial equation of polynomial function, we're going to deal with different relationship and behavior as well. So anyways, so we are going to talk about graphing polynomial function. And ang pinakaunang malaman dapat natin is how are we going to graph a polynomial function? Yan yung pinaka-question dyan. And before tayo pupunta din sa graphing polynomial function, we have to learn first what are the basic polynomial function or the graph of the basic polynomial function. So for example, we have y is equal to x squared. For example, again, that is the first example. Y is equal to x squared. Now, if we're going to check this kind of example, this is what we call a function. Okay? There are times na hindi y yung nasa gilid natin. Okay? This one, hindi y. There are times na it is p of x is equal to x squared. So, there are times like that. Okay? But p of x, ito p of x, is the same as y. Again ha, p of x, kung may makita kayong p of x, same lang yan sila with y. So, wag kayong malito with that one. Okay? Now, how are we going to do this one? Or paano ba natin ito siya i-graph? Always remember that if the coefficient value, again, when we say coefficient value, yung number beside the letter. So, kung ang coefficient value daw beside the letter is a positive value, just like this one, it's a positive 1 kasi may 1 man dyan na invisible. So, it will fall with this kind of graph. So, ang graph niya is like this one. I will create a Cartesian plane. So, the graph will look like this one. Bounce back. And then, baliktas. So, this will be the graph. Again, pag positive yung coefficient value, positive coefficient value, tapos even yung exponent, the graph should look like this one. Hindi kailangan na perfect talaga na ganito, na same talaga yung graph, na ganito talaga siya, U talaga siya. Okay, hindi ganon. But later, we will understand bakit ba, ano palang pinagkaiba nila. So, isa yan siya later. Okay, now, with this one, with under graphing polynomial function, we're going to learn with what we call the end behavior. Now, paano ba tong end behavior talks about? Yung end behavior natin, kapag i-illustrate natin siya with our graph, by the way, don't forget your Cartesian plane should have arrow sign. Now, if we're going to illustrate it with our graph, kailangan yung end behavior natin nakatugma siya doon sa graph natin. So, let's start first with the right side. Right side of our Cartesian plane. Ano ba yung end behavior ng right side ng Cartesian plane natin? So, we have here the right side. Ito yung right side natin ha. Ito yung focus natin muna. Now, for the right side, as x approaches to positive infinity, the y approaches to positive infinity as well. Paano ba yan na maintindihan? Try to focus on the graph. We have as x approaches to infinity, okay, ito yung x natin na x-axis, and then this will be our y-axis. So, if x-axis approaches to infinity, positive infinity, the y-axis as well approaches to positive infinity. Kasi under y-axis, diba yung nasa taas is positive yan siya. Okay? Now, That is for the right side. Now, how about sa left side? What do you think? Ano yung end behavior ng ating graph pag nasa left side? Yung nasa left side. Oh, putol-putol. Wait lang. Sige, from the left side, if x approaches to negative infinity, y is approaching to, saan papunta si y? Tingnan natin yung graph natin ha. If x approaches to negative, kasi again, this is negative side. So, negative infinity, saan papunta si y? Y approaching to positive or negative? Okay, very good. It's positive. So, it's approaching positive infinity. Okay? So, that is what we call the end behavior. Or in short, we're just parang describe lang na to ang graph. Okay? That is for, again, positive coefficient value with an even exponent. So, maski ngon sa pa nga even number, basta ang exponent niya kay even, tapos positive ang iyahang coefficient value. Kanang tapad nga number sa variable, sa letter. Okay? That should be the graph. So, again, with this one, bounce back lang ni siya ha. Kanang nasa tunga, mag-bounce back lang siya. So, ni patong lang siya kadali, ni balik na po sa saka. So, that is for our positive coefficient value with an even exponent. Let's proceed with the second one. What if pag negative naman ang kanyang coefficient value? So, for example, y is equal to negative x squared. For example. So, kung kaganina, positive x squared to. Karon, negative x squared na siya. Now, what's the different with this one is ang coefficient, the value of the coefficient value. Okay? Now, because it's opposite of positive, so automatic, opposite po ang iyang graph. Okay? So, if this is the graph, the Cartesian plane, and then we're going to change that one, it will be our graph that one, baliktad. So, kung ganina, up, up, this one is, sorry, change it. Dapat mag-touch siya sa x-axis. So, this one. So, down, down naman this time. Again, kaganina, kung positive x squared siya or positive, tapos even ang iyahang exponent, it will be up, up. Pero pag negative na gani siya, tapos even ang iyahang exponent, it will be down, down. Okay? Now, if we're going to understand or find the end behavior of this graph, again ha, if we're going to find the end behavior of this graph, same lang yan siya sa atong gibuhat kaganina. Okay, gi-explain lang nato asa padulong ang graph. So, let's identify the end behavior of the following. Bear with my writing. So, let's start with the right side. So, right side sa tao na. Unsay end behavior sa atong right side? Sige daw. Sabta ninyo ang graph. Kani siya kay padulong siya diriya. At the same time, padulong po siya diriya. So, asa padulong atong x. X approaching to, so man siya, positive or negative infinity? It's positive infinity. Okay? Si x, padulong siya og positive infinity. How about si y approaching to negative? Okay? Because it's pababa, negative infinity. Okay? That is the end behavior of the right side. How about sa left side? What will be the end behavior of our left side? Tanawa ha, diri siya padulong, and then, diri pud siya padulong. So, unsa may behavior niya, end behavior na to, ana. X approaching to, asa man padulong si X? Good, it's negative. Kay negative man ang nasa left side. How about si Y? Y approaching to, asa padulong si Y? Okay, negative. Again ha, pagpababa gani, pagpanao gani siya diri this is negative. Kani siya, positive ni siya. Sa x po, diri kay positive ning nasa right side, nasa left side kay negative. Okay, always remember that one. So this will be the end behavior of our graph or our polynomial function, which is y is equal to negative x squared. Ma'am, what if pag add naman pod ang iyahang exponent? So, dili na even, dili na 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, dili na yun, ana. What if 3 na pod? 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. So, what are we going to do? So, ang buhaton, kunyari, nata example, y is equal to positive x cube, for example. Okay, positive x cube. So, again, our coefficient value here is positive. Okay, coefficient value na to kay positive. So, how does the graph look like? Or unsa may ang naong sa ato ang graph, ana? Let's make a Cartesian plane first. This part will make it quite interesting. Okay? Pero later on, masabtan mo, ay, nato lang dayang purpose. Okay, now for this one, if it's a positive coefficient value with an odd exponent, ang graph should look like this one. So, mag down diri and then up diri So, unsaon man na siya, it has to look like this one. Okay, mura siyag S. But not all the time, ingon ana. Again ha, not all the time, ingon ana. Kay ang purpose lang yun ana, ibig sabihin is that we're going to pass through with x-axis. Okay? Pag pag add gani ang iyahang exponent, ang ibig sabihin, muagi jud ka ani nga linya, kaning naghigda nga linya. Dapat muagi jud ka. Okay, munang ingon ani iyahang graph. Niagi siya sa tunga nga linya. So, it passed through with the x-axis. Now, the question, what will be the end behavior of this graph? So, isa-isaw na ito yung end behavior. Okay, let's start with the right side. Unsay end behavior sa tong right side? Sige daw. As x approaching to, asa man padulong si x? Right side ta ha, kaninga side sa. Okay, that is going positive. Diri ang positive x ha, diri kay negative x. Diri pod positive y, diri kay negative y. Ana ha, timan ina ninyo. Now, if x approaches to positive infinity, asa man pod padulong si y? Y approaching to? Okay, very good. It's y approaching to positive infinity. So, nganong ingon ana man, tanawa ha, x approaching, right, diri man siya padulong, going to the right side, and then, pasaka man siya. And ang pasaka na to sa y kay positive y man. Okay, so positive infinity. Very good. How about sa left side? Let's try sa left side. Okay, for the left side, unsa nga to ang end behavior, ana? So, if x approaching to, asa padulong si x? Very good. It's negative. Kay going left side naman siya. Padulong naman siya dari na side. Oh. Dari going left side naman siya. Now, if x approaching negative infinity, y approaching to, asa man po padulong si y? So, it's negative infinity. So, this will be the end behavior of our graph. Again, unsaon ng left side, kani siya, padulong man sa diri sa left side, which is going to negative infinity. And then the graph also going downwards man. So, it's going negative infinity as well for our y. Okay. For our fourth one, the opposite of our third one. Okay, what if we have y is equal to negative x cubed? So, again, negative ang iyahang coefficient value, tapos add ang iyahang exponent. Again, not all the time 3 ra nang nadara. Basta add number na siya dapat ang iyang exponent. So, it will be 3, 5, 7, 9, basta kay add number siya. Okay? Now, unsa may naong ani niya? Of course, opposite lang na siya sa ato ang gibuhat kaganina. Kung kaganina nagsugod taog down, going to up, sa down sa left side, nya up sa right side, this one, opposite lang. So, taas na po magsugod. So, left, mag-start na sa up, going down. So, muna siya ang iyahang graph. So, opposite lang yun siya. Okay? Okay. Now, for our this one, again this is the graph look like kapag negative ang iyahang coefficient value tapos odd ang iyang exponent. So again, same lang gyapon kaganina, it passed through with the x-axis. So nag-pass through siya sa x-axis. So niagi siya sa tunga nga linya. And with that, kailangan muagi gyud siya. Again, not necessary nga ani iyahang noun kanang mura siyag s. Dili na siya necessary nga ingon ana. Ang iyaha lang point is that kung negative ang imuhang highest degree, when we say highest degree, ang pinakadako nimo nga exponent. Kung negative imuhang exponent, ang pinaka-highest degree, negative ang coefficient value, tapos odd pag yun ang imuhang highest degree, mag-start yun ka diri sa left side up. Okay, upper left side. Tapos, kailangan ka mo pass through sa x-axis. Okay? Now, for our end behavior, unsa man atong end behavior, ani? Ato sa daw, i-describe ang atoang graph. So, what is our end behavior? Let's start with the right side. Unsay end behavior sa atong right side? If x approaching to, asa padulong si x? Okay, positive infinity. Okay, x pamanta, diri x. So, positive x, negative x. Kani kay positive y, negative y. Okay? Now, if x approaching to positive infinity, how about si y? Asa man padulong si y? O, kung kani kay positive x going to positive infinity. Kaning y, asa man ni padulong si y? Okay, very good. It's going to negative infinity. Okay, that is for the right side. How about pag left side? Asa padulong si x? X approaching to? Okay, negative infinity. And y approaching to? Okay, going up man siya. So, it's positive. Okay, so it's positive infinity. Kuha na? Do you get it now? So, what if pag 1 ang iyang exponent? Saon man ang 1? Of course, different man na siya sa ato ang even. Although 1 is, odd. Although 1 is an odd number, but remember, 1 is a special number. So, unsaon man na siya? Different ang kayo 1. So, for example, natay y is equal to positive x raised to 1. Or x lang. Diba? Pag x lang, it automatic na siya yung 1 na exponent. Now, it's positive and then 1 ang kanyang exponent. Same lang gyapon na siya actually sa katong 3x, positive x cube na to. Same lang na siya ani. But what's different with 1 lang? Okay, what's different with 1 is, of course, mag-start gyapon siya sa down, then going up. Pero, again, ang different lang niya kay 1 lang man niyang exponent, mag-straight line lang na siya. So, straight line, diretso, pass through lang sa atuang, tawag yan sa atong x-axis. Wala na ilain pa. Okay? Dili na siya mo bounce back, dili na siya mo curve, but it's straight line. Diretso na siya saka. That is for our positive x raised to 1. Now, what if pag negative, ma'am? Of course, y is equal to negative x raised to 1. Unsa may naong ana? Kondarita ana. Say naong sa tuang graph. Asa ta magsugod? Up or down?
Down.
Down? Asa ta magsugod? Okay, it's a negative naman siya. So, we will start with up. Baliktad siya aning atong first one. So, it will be going up, going down. So, ana na siya. Okay? So, ingon ana ang ato ang graph sa given nga mga function. Now, here's the easy part. The multiplicity. So, unsaan man nato pagpangita si multiplicity? Wait, I will write it down muna. Unsa maning multiplicity, ma'am? The multiplicity can actually seen or can observe in the exponent of our factored form. So, kung ang given function is not yet on its factored form, then dili na to makitaan si multiplicity. Pero pag ang given na to is naka-factored form na siya, naka parenthesis na siya, then we can easily find the multiplicity. Now, always remember, if the multiplicity, the symbol of multiplicity is m, so kung ang multiplicity na to is 1, it is same as y is equal to x raised to 1. Again, always remember, kung ang m na to nag-equal to 1 na siya, same lang na siya sa tong y is equal to x raised to 1. So, ang atua dong gamiton na graph, pag ang multiplicity na to kay 1, kay katong y is equal to x raised to 1. Okay? Munang dapat timan-an ninyo unsay hitsura sa mga graph. Katong unom ka graph. Dapat i-remember to ninyo. Okay? Now, how about kapag 2, ma'am? What if m is equal to 2? Of course, it's the same with y is equal to x squared. O, diba? Si 2 di ay kay ang exponent di ay na siya. So, because m is equal to 2 and it's the same as y is equal to x squared, gamito na to tong graph. Naong sa graph, atong gibuhat kaganina nga y is equal to x squared. So, muna siya. Okay? Ma'am, what if m is equal to 3? Same lang gihapon. It's the same as y is equal to x cubed. Okay? And with that, gamito na to ang katong exponent nga tong na-learn or graph nga tong na-learn with y is equal to x cubed. Okay? Ang exponent lang yun ang atoang tanawanan. O, sige. Let's have an example. I-apply na nato tanan natong na-learn kaganina. So, for example, we have y is equal to x plus 2, x minus 1 squared, x minus 4. Now, for example, this one, x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 1 squared times the quantity of x minus 4. Now, if you're going to check the given function, it's already on its factored form. So, naka-factored form na siya, kay naka-parenthesis naman siya. Okay, wala naman siya naka-standard form nga katong x cubed plus 3x squared, katong ana-ana. Okay? So, it's already on its factored form. Now, because it's already in its factored form, mas dali na nato makitaan si roots. Pinakauna natong pangitaon kay ang roots. Now, if you can remember, para makita nato si roots, equate to 0 nato, tanan nato ang factor. Okay. Now, with this one, i-equal to 0 sana siya. So, x plus 2, x minus 1 squared, x minus 4. Okay, now, unsay buhaton sunod, isa-isahan na sila og equate to 0. So, x plus 2 is equal to 0. That's our first root. X minus 1 is equal to 0. Second, x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now, if you're asking, ma'am, wala lagi ni mo gikuan ng square dara. Ayaw na siya hilabtik kung naay exponent. Again, ayaw na hilabtik kung naay exponent. Kay same lang gyapon, x minus 1 lang gyapon ang ato ang i-focus. After this one, x minus 1, and then, later on, kanang 2 po daraan mo na itong basis later for our multiplicity. Again ha, ang 2 daraan na exponent mo na itong basis later for our multiplicity. So, ayaw na lang yun na siya hilabti. Okay, now, let's equate it to 0. So, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Transfer sa pikas na si positive 2, mahimo siyang x is equal to, unsay answer na to for this one? Very good. It's negative 2. So, this will be our first root. How about the second one? X is equal to, transfer sa pikas si negative 1. Mahimong? Negative 1. How about si x minus 4 is equal to 0? Transfer sa pikas si negative 4. It's positive 4. These are our 3 roots. So, naa na tay 3 roots. Now, unsaon man na siya? Always remember ka ng roots na to, naa na siya corresponding na coordinates. Okay? Automatic na siya coordinates. So, unsa may coordinates ani? Kaning x na to, this is negative 2, 0. Wala man tay y ana. Kani, ang x na to, 1, 0. Kani pod, 4, 0. Okay? Pag nakita na to si roots, automatic na sila coefficient value. Again ha, pag nakita na si roots, automatic na siya coefficient, coefficient value, automatic na siya coordinate values like this one. Okay? Now, what is our multiplicity for this one? Kailangan na ito may balance in multiplicity para kabaluta kung unsa by graph ang ato ang i-follow. Now, for this one, sa x plus 2, unsay exponent sa tong x plus 2 here? Kaninga factor. Unsay exponent ani niya? Very good. It's 1. So, 1 lang ng iyahang exponent tara sa taas. So, ibig sabihin kay 1 man yung exponent, ang ato ang m diri kay 1 lang. Okay? So, that is the multiplicity of the x plus 1. How about x plus 2? How about si x minus 1? What is the multiplicity of the x minus 1? Sa exponent ana niya. Very good. That is 2. How about si x minus 4? Unsa exponent niya? Very good. It's 1. So, nana siya 1 dara sa taas. So, again, makitaan lang si multiplicity kapag naka-factored form na siya. Okay? Pag naka-factored form na, automatic na natay tulog ka multiplicity. Now, unsa purpose ani multiplicity? Of course, same na siya sa atong giingon kaganina na ang m or the multiplicity is same as with the basic polynomial functions that we learned a while ago. So, kaning si m is equal to 1, same lang na siya kay y is equal to x raised to 1. Si m is equal to 2, same lang na siya with y is equal to x squared. Then, same lang po si m is equal to 1 with y is equal to x raised to 1. Okay, now with this one, tan-awon na ton sa mga graph nila. So, kani siya si x raised to 1, ang iyahang graph dapat nga i-follow kay start sa baba, going up. Dapat ingon ani ang imuhang graph. Si x squared, unsa ganitong kay x squared gani? Kay x squared, we're going to, positive man na siya niya, even ang iyang exponent, going up, going up. Okay? Up, up na siya. Okay? Now, for the y is equal to x raised to 1, same lang na siya, ani. Now, what's purpose, ani? Pag if we're going to plot the given functions, or the given Cartesian, the given coordinates, rather. So, again, if we're going to plot the given coordinates, ay, wait lang. May nakalimutan tayo. Si y, nakalimutan natin si y. Wait lang, bago tayo mag-plot. Now, to find y, by the way, y-intercept, ang inyo lang buhaton, i-change lang og 0 tanan x or tanan letters from the given. So, given na to, y is equal to, kanang x, mahimo na siyang 0 plus 2. Then, another one, 0 minus 1 squared. Another one, 0 minus 4. So, again, in short, in finding the y-intercept, we're going to change all the variables with 0. All the x letters into 0. So, find the value. We have y is equal to 2 times 1 kay negative 1 squared, that's negative 1 times negative 1, it's positive 1, and then negative 4. So, we have y is equal to negative 8. And this will be the value of our y. And remember, pag y gani ang ginapangita na po na siya corresponding na coordinates. So, kani siya yung coordinate ani kay 0, negative 8. Okay? So, negative 8 na siya sa ikaduha kay y man na siya. Diba? Ang first letter kay x followed by y. Now, let's try to graph it given that this is our Cartesian plane. So, i-graph na nato, tanan nato nakita. Tanan x axis na to, tanan y axis na to. So, we have here, let's have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. Now, i-plot lang na to ang atong mga coordinates. So, we have here, let's use other color. We have negative 2, 0. So, this is negative 2. Pag 0 ganihang y, automatic na lang na siya sa ato ang axis. Then, we have 1, 0. So, 1, 0. We also have 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. And the y na to kay negative 8. Let's assume this is negative 8. Negative 8. Okay. So, these are the points in our Cartesian plane. But, again, dili pa na siya mao. We have to identify muna kung unsa nga to ang what we call this one, ang ato ang graph look like. So, daghan siya og points, no? Pero tanaw na to. Now, here, we have to identify as well what will be our highest degree exponent. So, when we say highest degree, unsa man ang pinakadako nga exponent sa tuang given. So, with that one, kailangan na to pangitan niyang standard form. Pero, no need to worry kay ang ato lang i-focus ani kay ang x lang. Okay? So, i-times lang na tong x. So, kani siya, si x diri na siya squared, right? So, if we're going to multiply x times x, that is x squared. So, x squared na ni siya, i-times nimo kay x, that's x cubed, right? Then, i-times na po nimo kay x, that is x raised to 4. So, our highest degree, putol. Okay, our highest degree will be x raised to 4. And with that one, makita na to dayon kung unsay noun sa tuang graph. So, dapat kay x raised to 4 man siya, mag-start ta sa taas. Okay? Sa taas. Now, try to observe the this one, the first one. X plus 2. Okay, try to observe. Diba, ang kuan diri is, dapat mo pass through siya kay x-axis. Now, remember, this is x minus 2. The first one. Dara, x minus, this is minus 2. Then, kani siya kay 1. Kani siya kay 4. Okay, timan-ina siya. Now, with that one, kailangan na to i-follow ang iyahang mga rules. So, si x minus x is equal to negative 2 with this one. Ang iyahang multiplicity is x raised to 1. And kailangan daw mo agi og x-axis. But, be mindful na x is raised to 4 ni siya. So, x raised to 4, kailangan mag-start ka diri mahuman ka diri Diba? Kay up biya to siya. So, up ang even nga tawag yan, even nga exponent. Just like this one, the x squared. Even man ang iyang exponent, tapos positive po diyang coefficient value. So, dapat up. So, you will start here, up here, and then you will end here, up. Muna siya ang purpose sa to ang degree, highest degree. Now, unsa may purpose aning multiplicity? Kung unsaon na siya pag butang diri sa mga lines, pag-connect sa mga points. Muna siya purpose sa multiplicity. Now, if we're going to connect it, si negative 2, ang ingon diri kay you have to cross over with x. So, i-cross over, dapat mo agi siya x. Again, dapat mo agi siya x kay dara man iyang graph. Mo cross over. Again, it's not necessary na dapat straight line lang siya, but the purpose of that one is dapat mo agi siya sa x-axis na to. Okay? And again, our x-axis is this one, kanang nakahigda nga linya. So, continue. X-axis, then pass through lang ta with our negative 8. Kay, muma na tong y lang, agian na to na siya. Now, let's go back with x is equal to 1. So, ang ingon diri sa x is equal to 1, dara, x is equal to 1, bounce back lang daw ta. So, kung asa man ang point, kailangan bounce back lang ta. So, continue, bounce back lang. Again, bounce back lang kay in-ani man yung graph. It's not necessary na dapat going up tanan, but the purpose of it is bounce back lang. Dili ka mag-crossover sa x-axis na to. So, bounce back. And for our x is equal to 4, same lang sila with the x plus 2 or x is equal to negative 2, mo crossover daw ka sa y-axis. And this will be your graph look like. Okay? Sorry for that one. Okay, so that will be your graph. So, dili siya necessary na perfect Q, na naka-S good siya, but kailangan na kayo ani. And you have to understand the multiplicity and the rule of the multiplicity katong end behavior na to. Okay? So, kapag dili to nimo masabtan, maglisod po ka graph together na with all the points. Last one before we end our class. Y is equal to 2, x minus 5 x plus 2 squared. Okay, for example, this one. So we have y is equal to 2 times the quantity of x minus 5 times the quantity of x plus 2 squared. Now, mahappy mo pag naka-factored form na siya. Pag wala pa siya naka-factored form, medyo sakit yun dyan sa ulo. So, because it's already in factored form, ang buhaton na lang na to kay i-equate into 0 na lang siya. So, i-equal to 0 na lang siya. So, again, kanang y, himuan na siya 0. 2x minus 5 x plus 2 squared. Okay? Now, isa-isa na siya equate kaya naka-factored form naman na siya. Apila na si 2. 2 is equal to 0. The other one is x minus 5 is equal to 0. The other one is x plus 2 is equal to 0. So, again, ayaw na napila ng squared. Kaya same lang yapon na siya og value. Now, for that one, sa ibuhaton ana, i-equate to 0. Si 2 is equal to 0, wala na tayo mabuhat ana. It's invalid. So, wala na tayo buhaton ana. I-ignore na lang na siya. Okay? Because we are looking for roots lang naman. Now, for this one, x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to, transpose to the other side the negative 5. It will become positive 5. Very good. How about si x plus 2? X is equal to, transfer sa kabila si si positive 2, it will become negative 2. Very good. So, what are the coordinates? We have 5, 0. We also have negative 2, 0. Okay? So, dalawang coordinates. Ma'am, bakit dalawa lang? Na if we're going to find the degree, charot. Okay, if we're going to find the degree, again, unsa tong degree gani, pinakadako nga exponent nato. So, if we're going to find the degree, x times x, kaya na may square diri so x times x, that's x squared, times x, that will be x cubed, di ba? May mo na siyang x cubed. So, we have here the x cubed, nga nung 3 man ang ato ang exponent, highest degree of exponent. So, dapat 3 po ang ato ang root. Now, remember, kani siya, duha ni siya ka x plus 2. So, x plus 2 ug x plus 2, duha po ni ka negative 2 dapat ang ato ang x. So, muna siya ang ato ang, what we call this one, our roots. Now, if we're going to graph this one, we have to know first our multiplicity. So, si x minus 5, unsay multiplicity at ana niya? So, exponent sa x minus 5. So, 1 na siya. And then, the graph of the m is equal to 1 kaya same as sa y is equal to x raised to 1. So, dapat mag-start sa baba, going up. Dapat ingon ana iyang graph. Okay. Now, how about si x plus 2? Unsay multiplicity ana niya? 2. Okay. So, m is equal to 2. Same lang na siya with x squared. Y is equal to x squared. So, kailangan natong graph is like this one pod. Katong mo bounce back lang siya. Okay? Kay positive raman po siya. Now, with that one, humana na nato nakitaan si multiplicity, humana na nato nakitaan si highest degree of exponent, humana na po nato nakitaan ang ato ang mga roots, we're going to proceed now to graph. Oh, y di ay. Wala pa rin tayo y. Ayaw jud kalimti si y. Y-intercept. So, unsa may y na to, ani? Again, to find y, change all the variables with 0. So, 2 times 0 minus 5, 0 plus 2 squared. So, we have y is equal to 2, negative 5, and then we have 4. Kay 2 times 2, it's 4. So, y is equal to 2 negative 5 times 4, that's 20. Negative 20. Negative 20 times 2, that's negative 40. That is the value of our y. Now, graph it using those um, coordinates that we have. Si y again ha, this is 0, negative 40. Muna yung coordinates. So, graph na na to. Last part na ang graph. Okay, let's graph it. So that is our Cartesian plane. We have 5, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Positive 5, 0. We also have negative 2, 0. So 1, 2, negative 2. And then for our y, it's negative 40. Let's assume this is negative 40. So negative 40. Assume lang natin. Okay, now how are we going to do this one? Of course, follow pa rin tayo with our given degree. Check natin si highest degree natin. It's x cube. Again, the highest degree natin is x cube. So, saan tayo mag-start? We have to start with the down and then dapat mag-end tayo with here, sa taas. So, again, start tayo downwards, down, and then end tayo dito sa taas. Kasi dapat yung graph natin, okay, if we're going to remember the y is equal to x cube, dapat yung graph is like this one. Dapat ganyan yung graph natin. So, we have to start with the bottom part
Here.
down and then up dito. So, connect the dots. Now, negative 2, sabi dito sa negative 2, m is equal to 2. So, bounce back lang tayo. So, bounce back with this one. Continue. Daan lang dyan sa y. And then, ang 5 natin, x is equal to 5. Sabi rito, ang multiplicity is 1. So, kailangan mo pass through with the x natin. And this will be our graph. Okay? So, ganyan lang po ang gawin. Question, clarification, violent reaction.